Will be my American for Nebano. That will be bouncing in a coin. People are languishing in poverty, dying every day from terminal diseases. When Timmy and Chewam will be a pot gate, no, Emma container nifrimu. What Jimisa, Ghana Munyenesa. Because already, no, Your Excellency, when you made them quasi a mind and their train us. Will be my American for Nebano. That will be bouncing in a coin.
Ebusia Prophet Kofi Oduro abesend message e de ama national security. Obusa se anyenye bia o ECG containers na eyira na adenti ne ebeche Chinese we eja wo ma omu bi epuno no e ma akromfo ne ekowia ye.
It why no mo the take pot wa wo mo de wo kwasea asisa containers amankrofo de apie. Mo ma sori akoche Chinese wo agana mo nyene sa.
Aha, let's talk ghtrends. And then first time I pop into a video, I'm sure say, over subscribe and I'm going to click on notification bell for the latest updates on follow Facebook. As let's talk ghtrends and TikTok. So as let's talk ghtrends share video, I'm a Friday share any comments be a one way or comment section or edit and mommy. I was last week, any week in the moon in idea ECG phone and air trendy. Ube was as a day. Ya wahwani ete say tema port ECG for containers are summing up to 1,300 plus. Ayera saying if we hear the could do here na why the fire until ye na national security for say investigation for now more department and say oma hwehwema to say Indian man bi ebi won ho ene omo se oma kohwehwema omo koye na ampa omo konya 40 won ho anche ene ye na start say oma chi nipa 13 no oma sa chi wo no emu 12 Chinese ana ba kope Ghanani na Ghana for ni bisa say hwan and a ton containers ni momo ana hwan and a director say containers ni esankofo we dia ai nam swami achomo etina ne speculations bebre and e koso Ghana manfo em wonder baby property the root of the matter na no ana Prophet Kofi Oduro aba no say Ghana on enumi akan nya ne se nyankopo yusu sa China fo no e di panishe o say busasa nyenye bia o machi China fo na wo ma omo bie puno ne de my omoden
Baakufo intimi se eni nipa mfa adwembone emma containers 1,300 enyera asiamanya amonwen. People are languishing in poverty, dying every day from terminal diseases. You are so wicked that you would not even have these treatments for free. Now container to me be seaport Etna portal for 5 years. 5 years! Young Claire. Dimori. Porto no enyamodiyawu. The port does not belong to you. Foreigners are running it. Inti na bibi kosi hwa ye say Dimori channel. After 28 days adie bi ebeba temahano. It goes into penalty and penalties and penalty. It is demorage chibibia for 4 years, 3 years. It means that the demorage bills are far more than adiano crazy. It is why no man that take port one more do kwasia asisa containers among for the AP. Mama sorry akwachi Chinese for agana mo nyenesa kwasia manu nyamede twema so no omo na mutimi chewo. When Timmy and Chewam will be a pot gate, no, Emma container nifrimu. What Jimisa, Ghana Munyenesa, Mutimi be a gate. I want to say, when you're free, your eyes are blind. I'm talking to a nation. Go and see American embassy, people who want to leave this nation. I met a guy who beside me also. When maybe anyone bit me aboa me amako. Nam so man bit is also said your man my dear baby I beko. If you don't even have any destination, anywhere can be one. Or maybe I beko. Any editor. Would be better now alabasta kwesi de huri the bathroom beto adi so. Sunday morning is like this. Dream Let's welcome the seer.
Why in the ton containers ni mama na say ya anton amom so a why na chere say clearance bay no mokoye ye duty bay no mutu aye chese na containers ni omo dia aye de mom 1300 containers o enye container ba ko na enye container mienu e Ghana de asem sepe na prophet Kofi Oduro okoswa kasa na na enye Mr. Kwabena Dubu ahem saa de ken na me de na asem be so bo say Ghana for say o musika di no ho no what I say attorney general de abetu just say 39.4 million Ghana cedis akodi no one eno na prophet Kofi Oduro che say omo mugina pulpit so ne de bin deserve kra okokan e beka so ye Christo ni tinka on cover up
Minim se bebre ntimi mabida. Boy ya mo say you know what for $7 million. Say we preach you are sorry there. Me can we be back say we you nua Christo ni enkasa sa. Ma dwene no kura na minti ase. Such people don't deserve to be on the pulpit in the first place. Some of us say it doesn't matter how eloquent and articulate they are, they don't deserve to be on the pulpit. You might be on my say, tickle and if you mean you're touching an altar, so near Pim one quite the catch them say, when you're near Juma woman come. Tell them.
the prophet Kofi Oduro Japa to say we were hitting. Okoswa kasa no sending message e de ama his excellency John Dramani Mahama say Ghana.
And I'm speaking to Jubilee House. If we don't return to God, you be bread. See, I'm here radio chirako. You be bread. You bread dada. Your Excellency, good morning to you. If Ghana does not seek God, repent and turn around, we will suffer. Because already, you know, Your Excellency, when you made them kwasi your mind and they train us. India come, China come. Yeah. When you made them kwasi your mind, they train us. Turkey come. Yeah. Syria, Lebanon come. When you made them kwasi your mind, they train us. And that is why you see revenue going from your GDP into other nations. Mutu bauxite, mutu oil, mutu, gas. Mutu BNE. How sad. Faflagia na meyura. Faflagia na meyura. When you look at these fires in the markets, it's three things. Kele produce some blessing, and that I just wanted you to know. Will be my American for Nebano. That will be bouncing, Kwasi amai. What is in Angwasia for?
I will say ayasem kitwa wo say woni mo bi a wanom sa nema ni bi na wa yesinsin na akona osiwa wan hwe ya obi so yes Ghana youth no be bia ebi mu afra koduru no aya rekosem pa na chese message a prophet Kofi Oduro e wo ma Ghana ye youth Mr. President ene obi biara ne say ye nwane nkotwa nyame ne yensesa ya adwene na bone no adoso medi mani edi ensem nechi any update be fe oba me de bebro me ka also be follow Facebook as ghtrends and at TikTok and so as ghtrends na share video we ama foforo abehwe meeting edi na nekia santoa makram